Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2008 Yamaha Royal Star Tour Deluxe with only 20,131 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with cruise control and has been upgraded with a Hannigan TRIKE kit, Yamaha Tour Pack, leg track, fork-mounted wind deflectors, and a plate bracket. Built for the open road, the Royal Star offers spacious storage, long-distance comfort, and exciting power, excelling on joyrides or extended trips. Powered by a 1294cc 4-cylinder engine, the Royal Star puts 98 horsepower and 90 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. In stock form, it weighs in at 842 pounds and has a 29.1-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.